So this is the second annual State of the Region Conference. It's hosted by the Voinovich School of Leadership and Public Affairs and sponsored by the United States Economic Development Administration.
It is really great to see so many industry leaders, policy professionals, scholars, citizens gathered together to discuss hydraulic fracturing and its potential implications for Southeast Ohio.
Natural gas is so diverse, not only in its sources, but in its use. Home heating, electricity, increasing amounts used for transportation, feedstock for the chemical industry, fertilizer. It's incredibly diverse.
Ohio has always been a very large oil and gas producing state. Ohio ranks 4th in the total number of wells drilled in the United States. We've drilled over 275,000 wells here in the state of Ohio.
But right here in Ohio, you have a supply chain, a resident supply chain that can support that level of activity.
People want to hire locally. We really do want to hire locally.
We put together last year the largest supply chain conference, oil and gas supply chain conference in the state of Ohio. We had 500 attendees. We worked very closely with Jo and her group.
We've got a heavy focus on making sure we've got a well-trained workforce. And it's one of the reasons why we are currently working with over 70 different Ohio colleges, universities, career centers, and technical schools, making sure that we can put Ohioans through proper training so that they can receive some of these jobs that will be coming in the next several years.
From both economic and historical perspectives, we believe that preparing our local economies for the boom in such a way as to mitigate any bust that follows is a responsible contribution we can make to our region.
The whole operation itself does produce volatile organics and mainly NOx, nitrogen oxides, and that's mainly from the engines. And then the other big concern is methane.
If you hear the governor speak, I think he speaks just as highly about economic development from shale as well as he says they really go hand in hand, making sure that we've got regulations in place that are fair but also tough to make sure that industry's doing it right and that not only the citizens are protected but they also benefit from it.
I think the biggest issues that emerge today is how to take advantage of the economic opportunity of the shale gas boom that's descending upon our region in a way that mitigates the bust and doesn't commit the mistakes of the past where wealth was created and left. We need to create the wealth this time around and have enough of it stick to create a sustainable economy and communities going forward.